Want to boost engagement and conversions? The key might be in your customers' voices. UGC is any content, such as images, reviews, and videos, created by your customers, not brands. It's real, authentic, and builds trust in a way that branded content just can't. Let's discuss how to build a winning UGC strategy that drives engagement and supports your brand's growth. UGC boosts trust. With 79% of consumers trusting it more than brand content, it's cost-effective, as you can tap into content customers are already creating. Plus, it drives engagement, creating a community around your brand. Start by defining your goals. Are you aiming for brand awareness, higher engagement, or conversions? Then, understand your audience. Where do they engage, and what content resonates with them? Encourage participation with clear calls to action, incentives, and simple processes like hashtags, contests, or social media drives to make sharing easy and fun. UGC feels organic, but a lot of work goes into making it a powerful marketing tool. Ready to create a plan that leverages UGC? Get in touch for a free consultation.